In this video, I will show you the best camera settings of the Redmi 15C. So let's get started. First of all, just open the camera app. Now at the bottom row of the camera app, you will find all the different camera modes on your Redmi 15C, like the photo mode, the video mode, and also you have the feature of time-lapse. And on the Redmi 15C, you can even customize your time-lapse. Now in the time-lapse mode, just tap on this duration icon over here. And from here, you can control the speed of your time-lapse. As you can see, it can go from 4 times speed to 1800 times. Now this feature is good if you want to take a time-lapse video of the sunset. So instead of a 2-hour video, it will short it down 1800 times. And also if you go back, you can even customize the different settings in the time-lapse mode. Like you can control the ISO, you can control the shutter speed, the autofocus, and all the different settings. After the time-lapse mode, the other feature which I want to highlight is Ultra HD. And with this mode, you can capture 50 megapixel photos out of the camera of your Redmi 15C. Just like that. After that, if we tap on the drop-down arrow at the top of the screen, now from this menu, just go to Settings. Now as you can see, we have opened the camera settings, and in the camera settings, just tap on Shutter Type. And from here, you can find the different methods with which you can use the shutter button. For an example, you can take a photo by tapping on the screen, and you can also capture a photo by showing the palm of your hand to the selfie camera. And also you have the option of audio, and with audio you can say cheese to capture a photo, and also you can create an additional shutter button. Now let's see how these features will work. For that, let's go back. Now for the first method, let's tap on the screen. And as you can see, it has automatically focused and it has automatically captured the photo. The second method is to just say cheese. As you can see, it has automatically captured the photo. And the third method is that you can drag this shutter button and you can create a copy just like that. And the final method is that if you open the selfie mode, you can show the palm of your hand to capture a photo. As you can see, it has captured a photo using this gesture. And for the last setting, just tap on the drop-down arrow and go to Settings. Now this time, instead of the photo section, just tap on General. And from here, you will find the option of Camera UI Color. And from here, you can customize the color theme of the camera app. As you can see, by default, it is on yellow, but you can select red and you can select different hues of the selected color. Just like that. For example, let's select red. Now if we go back, as you can see, the color theme of the camera app has been changed to the red color. Just like that. And these are the best camera features of the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.